my channel. It's your girl Lay. I should be giving myself a welcome back, to be honest, because it's literally been 2 years, maybe nearly 3, since I last uploaded a video. Yeah, it's been a while. And to be fair, I did miss it, but a lot has happened in those 2 years, and I will share some of it with you. I started a job in direct sales. I don't know if you remember my first video, but I said that I was unemployed, but I actually found a job in direct sales. I temporarily enjoyed it. Overall, I did that for about 9 months, and I was just like, okay, this isn't for me. But yeah, I'll keep that in a separate video to this. As you guys might know from my first video, I did say that I've always wanted to be a presenter, either TV or radio, so I'm kind of glad that I'm back into this. But for the time being, whilst we're all stuck inside because of the horrible pandemic at the moment, also I hope that you all are staying safe and staying healthy, I decided to join the Body Shop at home. Yeah, so for those of you who haven't heard about the Body Shop, I'll just go over it briefly. I think they're actually one of the first brands who became well established and well known for being cruelty free, and they do also have some vegan and vegetarian products, which I think is amazing, and I really love what they stand for, and they give back to the environment as well by helping build bio bridges and stuff like that, and I just think it's an amazing brand to get behind. So how it works is you simply sign up, you pay for your starter kit. I can't disclose any prices in this video, by the way, because it's part of the agreement that you kind of, I guess in the terms and conditions, if you want to put it that way, we can't post any prices in a public space. But if you do kind of want to get to know any prices and a bit more about the products, I do post daily on my Facebook page, which I will link down below. Please do join that, because that's where I am allowed to post prices, because it is a private group. So if you request, don't worry, you will be accepted. We also offer exclusive discounts and offers that the website and the stores do not offer. And we've got some customer specials, so it's kind of amazing to be able to offer that to you guys. So I also do have an Instagram account that I do post on if you don't have Facebook, because I know it's getting a bit outdated for our generation. Wow, I feel like I've rambled on for ages. This is going to take me a while to edit. Without further ado, let's get into the video and see what I got in my starter kit. Oh, by the way, I've named this an unboxing, but I have opened it before because I've actually been doing this for like nearly a month now, but I decided that I really wanted to make a video. You've probably seen some unboxing videos before, but I still wanted to show mine because mine's special. No, I'm joking. So this is the box it came in. It was actually freaking heavy. So I have actually placed them in a smaller box for now, which came with a big customer order that I ordered to my house. And it came in like a box with compartments in it, which I thought was so cute. I was like, oh, I want to keep them in this compartment box instead of just like this big open box. So I'll start off with like the little business help stuff that you get in your kit, and then we'll get into the products. I know you're probably more excited about the products, but I thought I'd get this stuff out of the way first. Yeah, so you do get a pack of 20 catalogues. These have all the products that the Body Shop at home sell. A common mistake that is made is that a lot of people will check the website and then tell me what they want. But the problem with that is some things that are out of stock on the website we'll have in stock, or vice versa. So it is better to check the catalogues just to know what we actually do sell. Let me tell you, most products, especially the best sellers, you will find in here, so do not worry. So another thing that you get is this huge pack of party invites. This is amazing because basically you hand them out to whoever you want to invite to your at home or wherever you book makeover pampering party. But obviously with the current situation right now, we can't be throwing parties, but I definitely hope to be using these in the near future. And the next thing you get is an order booklet. So yeah, that's really handy for when you have a party and people write down what they did like and what they want to get, and yeah, that's basically that, really. Another cool item that you get is this whole pack of like plastic applicators, I guess you could call them, or spatulas. So it's basically if you just want to test products on people, obviously to be more hygienic rather than using your fingers, you scoop it out with these and then they can try it on their hand, face or whatever. So there's plenty of those in here, so that's perfect. What else? You get this whole pack of organic cotton pads. Again, hence organic, the brand's ethos, amazing. And another cool thing that you get is a Body Shop headband towel wrap thing. So that's really cool for doing your makeup, you push your hair back. Yeah, and this is rewashable, so you just put it in the washing machine. And yeah, you can reuse it. But now that that's all out of the way, we can get into the actual products, which is, not gonna lie, the more exciting part. So yeah, let's see what we've actually got. Okay, so first off, we've got the Vitamin E Cream Cleanser. This is amazing. You literally just apply it on a cotton pad and it just cleanses your face for the day. I actually have oily skin myself, but my sister has dry skin, and the Vitamin E products are literally perfect for anyone who has dry skin. So like normal to dry. Also, I just want to note that this is actually one of their best sellers on the website as well. So you're actually getting quite a lot of good stuff in this kit already. The next product we have is the Vitamin E Hydrating Toner. Don't worry, you do actually get more in this, but my sister's been using it. She did buy it off me just because I already had the tea tree one, which is more ideal for me because I do have scarring. She has dry skin, and this literally is called the Hydrating Toner, so this is perfect for her. She says that she's noticed a difference in her skin, so that means it's clearly working. So the third and final vitamin E product that you get in your kit is the Vitamin E Moisture Cream. It is called a moisture cream for a reason. It does honestly make your skin feel soft and smooth after, and it does feel a lot more hydrated. They do also have the version my sister bought, which is the Intense Moisture Cream, and that one has a thicker consistency and is more targeted to people with dry skin. So if you do have dry skin, I would definitely recommend that one. So another best-selling product that you get in the kit is this amazing chamomile eye cleanser. This is one of the best sellers on the website, along with their chamomile cleansing butter, which I do have as well. This one is more targeted for the eyes. I haven't tried using it on my whole face because that's what the cleansing butter is for. We did try removing eye makeup with it, and it literally took it off in seconds. My sister had a lot of a heavier eye look, and it literally just wiped it off. Like, I have nothing bad to say about this, really. This is the grapefruit body wash. Oh my god, you guys, literally, it smells amazing. It smells so grapefruity. It does have a really nice, well, yeah, grapefruity, but like citrusy smell. It smells fresh, like, it smells so good. You just want to eat it, but obviously you can't. The next product you get in this kit is the British Rose body scrub. This smells amazing, literally so sweet, kind of like sweet and flowery. It's just so lovely. I'll try and show you the inside. It's like jelly. I don't know if you can see that. I don't want to spill, but yeah, it's like jelly. I have used it. It's actually really good. These leave your skin feeling nice, clean and smooth. I'm really happy that I actually got this because I did want one of their body scrubs. So onto more body stuff. You also get the coconut body butter. This literally smells so good. Oh my god, you can tell I've used quite a lot already. Don't worry, it does actually come more full than this, but yeah, I just think it's amazing. It's nice and thick. And it doesn't take long to sink into your skin, and that's what I really like, because you get, you know, those products, I'm sure everyone's had them at some point, you put them on your skin and your skin literally has like these white streaks that don't go away for like a good 5-10 minutes until they've actually like sunk into your skin. You do not have this problem with this product. Honestly, Their body butters are fantastic. They smell beautiful. They literally just melt into your skin. Yeah, 10 out of 10 recommend. So the next product that I'm going to show you guys is one of their trending products at the moment. I literally clicked on it and saw that there was like 3,000 plus reviews on it. It is their hemp hard-working hand protector. This is their most trending, best-selling hand cream at the moment. It's for people who get intensely dry hands, and I guess who do a lot of work with their hands, I guess you want to say. Have hard-working hands. There we go. Guys, Body Shop are so generous. Like, I'm not even joking, right? We're literally like halfway through. Let me not kid you. Okay, I know I can't disclose any prices, but when I worked out how much I paid for the kit compared to how much I got, 3 of the products added up to the price that I paid. Let's just put it that way. And I've just shown you so much more, and there's more coming. So yeah, let's get through this. So the next product I'm going to show you guys is one of their most iconic products, and I got the full size product, which I was so happy about. By the way, all these products are full size, just to let you know. But yeah, this is their Himalayan charcoal mask, and oh my god, this product is amazing. Literally loved by so many people. And the great thing about charcoal itself is that you apply it and it literally just like lifts the dirt out of your face and your pores without actually sinking into your pores itself. And honestly, my face felt like so tingly and like smooth and fresh afterwards. I do get a lot of blackheads around my nose area, like here, and that pretty much cleared up. So literally I was satisfied. Customer satisfaction right here in this tub. So the next product you get is also one of their most iconic products, literally a holy grail, and it is from their Drops of Youth range, and it is the Drops of Youth concentrate. If my best friend is watching this, me and her when we were little, we were literally obsessed with like magic and fairy tales and whatnot. The bottle literally looks like it came out of a Disney fairy tale or something. Like, it is so cool. Yeah, it is a concentrate, and you use like this little drip. I don't know what they call it. So this product is made with 3 plant oils, and the purpose of it is just to keep your skin tight and feeling fresh. The Drops of Youth range as a whole is for young people looking to kind of get started with I guess anti-aging or age decreasing products. When you do get into your 20s like me, I think it's a good time to kind of start looking after your skin. Okay guys, we're getting there slowly. So the next product here is their Japanese Blossom Body Mist. It smells like fruity, flowery and sweet at the same time. I can't even explain it. But yeah, it's just so nice, and it does actually last for quite a long time, and it is a strong smell. So the next product we have here is called the Rose Dewy Glow, and it is a face mist. So this is after you've applied your makeup. You'll just spray the mist, and it will just give you that dewy glowy look, which everybody loves, especially around the summertime. You want to look like you've got a nice glow to you. So this is, oops, wrong way. This is perfect for that. So speaking of makeup, that is what we're going to get into now. They do actually sell makeup as well, which is just incredible. It's like, where does this brand stop? But yeah, I actually did get quite a few makeup products in here. And just to let you know, I did create this look with the makeup that was provided in the kit, just so you guys can get a feel of it. And if you do like it, of course, you can have a look in the catalogue. So first of all, we've got the Insta Blur Primer. This is fantastic. It has such a velvety feel, which I really like when it comes to primer. It's got a similar consistency to what's it called, Professional by Benefit. So if you are looking for a cheaper replacement for that, I would definitely recommend this. So the next thing you get is their Tinted Balm, which is basically like a CC cream. This is not my shade, so unfortunately I can't actually use this, but I was thinking about doing a raffle with some of the products in this box. So yeah, join my Facebook group for more information about that. That will be coming up. So guys, my camera is now warning me that the battery is running low because I've been filming for quite a while, and my SD card's getting full. So I'm going to show you the next 3 products briefly as a whole. They are all makeup, but yeah, let's get into this very quickly. So first of all, we have the Bronze Shimmer Wave palette. I think the colours in this palette are absolutely stunning. It's nice and compact. You can put it in your handbag. You can take it for travel. One thing I do wish it had was some matte shades, just because I'm not a fan of putting shimmer in my crease. Although I did do it for this look and it actually does look nice. But yeah, and of course you could double up and use the highlight here on your cheeks if you wanted to. Moving on quickly, we've also got this liquid lipstick. It is in the shade Windsor Rose, but it does come off more of a nude look, as you can see on my lips. It has worn off probably a little bit through me talking a lot, but yeah, it is more of a nude shade. I would pair it with a liner, definitely. And last of all, my favourite makeup product is the Lash Hero Fibre Extension Mascara. This literally makes your lashes look so long. I don't know if you can really like tell. Yeah. The way this works is one end is you for fibres, so you brush them into your eyelashes, and then the other end is the mascara, and it just adds fullness and length to your lashes, and I just think it's amazing. Definitely worth getting. That actually brings us to the end of the product. That is everything you get in the kit. The kit is literally worth like 4 times what I've paid for it. I just want to thank you all for watching my video. I really hope that you liked all the products, and if you are interested in them, of course check out the catalogue below. Join my Facebook group and follow my Instagram, and of course if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. Also, if you did enjoy this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, like, subscribe and share. It really would mean a lot to me, guys. Thank you again, and I'll see you in the next one. Mwah.